Hi guys, good evening and welcome to my channel. So I have this gift item discounted order from Temu. Some items here are gifted, some are discounted. I think this should be either my third or second order from Temu, and let me open it. Let's see what's inside. Let's see. This is the first item here. Let's see. I think this is, what is this? This one is for you. This one's for my husband. Not so bad though. The texture, but I think this is kind of a sports type of polo. This is sports kind of wear. Sports wear. It's not that bad. This is the second item. And this is looking too small. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is this how small 7 years old are in China? Not that light, but this is way too small. This is way too small. I think I ordered for size 8 years or thereabout, and she's 7 years. I'm scared now for this gown. I'm scared. Denim gown. Oh my god. Oh my god. These things, this one is not that bad though, but for the price, the texture. Oh Chineke. This is a real jean according to them. This is the belt. Real jean now. Okay, let's go there, honey. Show my husband. Let's see. I think this is the last item. It's here, jean. Eh? Ah. Okay, my husband said it's jean. Anyway, and also, but test go there. I think this is a gift item. It's looking way too small. Temu etele m unyi na iru. Temu has tailored me. Me, o Temu go. So now open the button. Being close. What? That's the clothes now. Go to your room and check it. This is everything.